The DWI drug court is composed of an interdisciplinary team, which includes the judge, defense attorney, prosecutor, a counselor, so the treatment is also represented there, court coordinator, and myself, the probation officer who works with them. It's a high accountability program. It's immediate accountability, so people start out going to court every single week. The judge gets to know them really well, gets to know their situation really well. In our staffing, we discuss any issues that may come up with the offenders while we're meeting with them. And basically, it's where justice and treatment meet. We provide some cognitive education. They go through an intensive outpatient program as part of this. They go through aftercare treatment. Many also go through either the DWI education class or they go through repeat offender training. They have daily accountability as far as drug testing is concerned. They have to call in daily to see if it's their turn to drug test that day or not. They all have ignition interlocks in their vehicles. Some have scram bracelets that they wear on their ankles. They meet every single week with the judge. They meet with me twice a month. They meet with their counselor twice a month. So they're getting one-on-one counseling and group session counseling. Well, there have been lots of success stories over the last years. I think what makes this court different from every other kind of court is that this one includes treatment. So if you're talking to people who have an addiction to alcohol, it's a physiological addiction, and it affects the brain. These people can't just be incarcerated and expect to come out any different than they were when they went in. And so even though we have accountability like the law enforcement system has, we also give them treatment to learn how to be able to cope with their behaviors and change their thinking so that it isn't quite as flawed. There aren't as many thinking errors, so that they can learn to cope with the problems that they end up experiencing without having to pick up a drink. I think the first thing that I would offer them is that there is hope. Alcohol addiction may be a chronic disease, a progressive disease, but there is treatment and you can't do it alone. Be able to ask for help because there is help out there. The community wants to see you living a productive and a happy life, and you just have to ask. It is out there and it is attainable.